Beautiful user now. Yeah. It's a bit 20 volts. Starting with the 2.8. So this. Okay, now with the rope test. Look, keep on the meter. Oh, 10.8 volts. I think the terminals are reversed, that way it indicates the negative. Okay, now I change this to this. Oh, 8.1 volt. Okay, 8 volts. Now check with the cycle tire. Okay, okay, the wires has been connected. Now it's taking time. Yeah, it's working. It produced. Okay, first the simple rotation. Okay, at simple rotation it will produce up to 5 volts. Okay, now I'm increasing speed. Stop. Okay, the max voltage was 16 volts. Okay, now check this. Yeah, 20 volts. Okay, it approximately 20 volts. Now to the 200 side. Now check it will. Yeah, it's a bit 20 volts. Yeah, okay. I was tired. It approximately 20 volts here. Okay, now this is 24 volts DC e-bike motor. Okay, let's connect to it. Now I'm connecting the 24 volts DC motor and also connect the meter also. Let's check. Yeah, it's rotating, you see. Yeah, nice. Oh, the voltage is 10 volts. Wait, my dynamo is damaged. Wait a second. Now this time is the last test. Oh, yeah. My dynamo wheel is damaged and will break out. And thanks for watching this video. Please do subscribe my YouTube channel and like this video.